Hello everyone, today I will show you how to email Snapchat in 2025. And here's how it's done. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. You will land on the camera screen. From there, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the settings gear in the top right. On the settings screen, scroll down until you find the support and feedback section. Then tap on Help Center. This will open Snapchat's support page where you'll find help on common issues like recovering a lost snap streak. You can also browse through other topics if your issue isn't listed. If you still need assistance, scroll to the bottom and tap on Contact Us. From there, choose the issue you are experiencing from the list of options. You will see some suggested solutions. If they don't help, scroll down and tap Yes under Still Need Help. You'll then be prompted to fill out a form with your information so Snapchat support team can look into the issue. By following these steps, you can submit a request or email Snapchat for further assistance. And that is everything to know about how to email Snapchat in 2025. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.